Well, good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I dehydrate my rosemary. If you've seen my basil video way back when, I'm pretty much just going to use the same method. So, I am dehydrating my rosemary with my oven. I do not have a dehydrator. Therefore, I'm going to use my oven. This is how I've always been doing it. Use what you have. I have enough gadgets. Maybe down the line, if I get the right amount of space that I want and need, or whatever, or can make the space without cluttering, then maybe I'll get a dehydrator. Who knows? Maybe sooner, maybe later. We just don't know. Now, mind you, if I do find one that's reasonable, I'll get it. So, stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I get started. Well, where I'm at so far. Well, I thought I was recording, but I finished deliming the rosemary. It is 10:27, and it's spread it evenly, and it's in the oven. We will be back to see how the product looks afterwards and how long it took. So see you later. Okay, guys, so I just took the rosemary out. It is 6:19. And the next process, well, I'm going to let it cool for a minute because it is hot. I'm just going to crumble it up. If you've ever seen it, that happen before, you're just going to crumble it up. And I'm going to use the parchment paper so I don't have to touch it. And due to the fact, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do mine. I take my parchment paper, and the parchment paper is not hot, so I put it together like this, and I just, well, it's going to actually, it is thorny. So, yes, it's dry. And I'm going to take my parchment paper, and I'm just going to keep crumbling it up. So you're going to do it to the consistency you want, as you can see. So I'm going to do that a couple more times. I just didn't want to get caught up with them. Making sure. I'm just being conservative. I see this paper raggedy. It smells good. My husband don't like this smell. So it's dehydrated. And now I'm going to put it into a jar. So this is a thyme jar, but I do have some jars to put it in, but I'm going to use this here just to get it out the way. This is not going to be ideal. So, Lovelady got to do it the hard way. So all I'm going to do is scoop it in, fill this up. This is a 0.7 ounce container, which, if you can see, is pretty much almost filled up. And the ones that I have is actually larger than this, so I'm going to transfer it over and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I filled up one jar, and actually I think these jars are actually smaller than the jar I had that the time was in, so I'm having to use 2 of them, which is okay. It'll be a while. I had time to transfer it over. Actually, it didn't fill the whole one, the second one up, but I know that these are Rosemary's, so now I can actually put them back in the cabinet, which I'm going to put them up here where my spices at. So that's how Lovelady dehydrate her herbs. Is in the oven. We started at like 10:24, I think it was 10:24 my time, or 11:24 my time, and we stopped at 6, a little after 6 Central Standard Time. Been a long day, but anyway, if you have a way that you do it different than I do mine, please leave it in a comment. If you have any suggestion without having to dehydrate it outside or purchase a dehydrator, let me know. Until the next time, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can always know when Lovelady Projects and More is putting out a new video. Have a great day.